Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's How to Build a Buyer's Email List video, I want to show you a simple strategy that you can use. You can start today, and it's a strategy you can use to build a buyer's email list. And your buyer's email list is probably one of the best assets you can have to become successful in affiliate marketing. And with this strategy, I'm also going to teach you how to get into profit every month so you can buy more traffic, and that way you can scale up your primary business. So the profits, the income you're going to use to buy more traffic are not going to be coming from your bank account. They're going to be coming every single month from profits. First of all, I'm just going to show you some proof that it works, and then I'm going to show you the strategy itself and how you can start to implement it today. So I'm live here in my Warrior Plus account, and what you'll see here, I've sold over $6,000 of products in my Warrior Plus account, and a lot of these have come from the strategy I'm teaching you today. And if you go onto my YouTube channel, when you've got a buyer's list, you can promote several offers. And as long as you're promoting offers that you're using yourself, so you try them first yourself, you get value, you make sure that they're working, and then you can teach others and promote those with confidence to your buyers list, because then you're giving value to your buyers list. So you'll see here these commissions, $237 with ClickBank. My lead gen secret is tier one traffic, including buyers, 100 to 200 leads a day, $482 there. The Leads Leap tools that I use, $534. These are monthly recurring commissions. My lead gen secrets, monthly recurring commissions. I promote prosperity marketing system to my buyers, and you'll see they have turned $12 into nearly 5,000. So the strategy works as long as you know what to promote and just use these yourself. And then let's show you the strategy now and how it works. So I'm going to do a little drawing on here on my whiteboard and explain step by step. Let's get the pencil over here somewhere. So the first step is what you'll find in the description. The first step is to get your offer in front of buyers. And the way you do that is you join a site. We're going to start with the Click Engine. It's how I started. So you're going to start with CE, which stands for the Click Engine. And if you're not familiar with the Click Engine, all the links will be in the description where you can either get more information or you can join. The Click Engine has got 100% buyers within the system. So what you do is when you join the Click Engine, you put your offer into the Click Engine, and then that'll be a lead capture page. And then one of two things will happen. They might buy from you, which would be great because then you're making money. Or what could happen is they could then opt in, and then they're going to opt into your lead capture page. And then what you're doing is you're starting to create a list of buyers, because everyone here is a buyer. So in this case here, what you're doing is you're building a buyers list, and sometimes before they even buy from you. So this is you, this is your email list down here. You're starting to build your email list, and it's all on autopilot. It's all on autopilot. Let's put over here AP. This is all autopilot. So if you're really busy like me and you've got a full-time job, family, friends, hobbies, and this is just spare time for you, the more you can automate your business, the better. So down here, you are now starting to build your buyers list. Let's call that BL. And then the next step, so that's step one. You join the Click Engine. Let's put step one there. That's step one. You join the Click Engine, you put your offer in. And then over here, what you do, this is step two. Let's call it step 2. Step 2 over here. What you do is step 2 is you promote the click engine. You're going to promote click engine. And I'm going to give you a system now, which is very cleverly done by a 7-figure earner. And this system here, there'll be a link in the description. And this is the system you follow to promote the click engine. So it's been created by the owner of the click engine, Jeff Amon, and he will teach you step by step within this set of video tutorials how to promote the click engine. And then what you do, and if you want to use free traffic, if you're on a tight budget and you want to use free traffic, I'm going to put a link to my blog post in the description. I'm going to pin it to the top comment below this video on how to get free traffic from my 5 top traffic sites. So even if you're on a tight budget, this can work for you as well. So you follow Jeff's system, video tutorials, very beginner friendly. You promote the click engine. And then what happens when you promote the click engine, you start to earn some money. You start to get your traffic for free. And then once you get your traffic for free, you carry on promoting the click engine, and then you get a plus sign and you get into profit. All right, so you promote and now you're in profit with the click engine. You only need 2 referrals to get your traffic for free. And then once you're in profit, it's got multiple income streams built into that funnel as well. So you get into profit usually faster because it's got some upsells. So over here, you're in profit. And then what you do, you take that profit, you take it over here, and then you buy another autopilot buyer's traffic offer. So this is not coming from your bank account. This is coming from profit. And I'll just show you the monthly recurring income streams shortly. And then you can join, let's say as an example, then you can join EasyClicks. So all the links are in the description for all of these offers. You join EasyClicks. You put your offer into EasyClicks. 2 things will happen. They'll either buy from you, or they might opt in, and then they go onto your buyers list, your email list, your buyers list here. And then what happens is over here, let's go on to step 3. Step 3 over here, really simple system. Over here is step 3. You've got more offers that you're going to promote to your buyers list. And buyers buy over and over again. So you've got offers here, you've now got a list, and you can promote other offers and put your offers in front of buyers. Each of these has come from a buyer's program. And you carry on promoting here. Now this system over here that Jeff's created is editable and customizable. So you can not only use it to promote the click engine within a couple of minutes and just a small change of, you'll see how it does it in the system, how he sets it up. Within a couple of minutes, you can use it to promote EasyClicks. And you're going to get into profit again with EasyClicks. So you can have more profit over here. And then what you do is you take that profit and then you join another autopilot buyer's traffic offer. Let's say that might be autopilot clicks. Autopilot buyer clicks. Autopilot buyer clicks. Put your offer in there. 2 things can happen. They could buy from you, or they can opt in. And if they opt in, they're going to go onto your buyers list. Now, what happens here is, this is really important. There are thousands of existing buyers, thousands already, these traffic sites, some of these have been going for over a year. There are thousands of existing buyers, thousands of existing buyers, thousands of buyers within these programs here. So you're going to get your offer in front of thousands of buyers when you build this portfolio here. And there's also thousands of new buyers joining every single month. Thousands every single month. So you're going to be putting your offer in front of your offer here in front of thousands of buyers, thousands of existing buyers, and thousands of new buyers. And over here, you carry on promoting, you get more profit, and then you add another one. And then two things happen, buyers, or they opt in, until your buyers list is growing. Your buyers list, let's put a plus sign here. Your buyers list is growing. And every month you're getting new buyers coming in. So you can promote some of the same offers to these because some of them are new and everyone needs to see an offer at least up to 7 times before they buy. So you just carry on, you promote your offers here to buyers. And you'll see here with the portfolio, Traffic Blaster, Click Traffic Cyclone, Easy Clicks, Click Engine. You'll see with these, if I scroll down here, show you some of these down here, you'll see the monthly recurring payments. 3 months, 8 months, 11 months, 4 months, 3 months, 9 months, 4 months, 10 months. So you're getting monthly recurring payments, and you're also getting upgrades and upsells when you promote these as well. So you could get into profit faster than what you actually think. I'll just show you some upgrades here. Let's just come down here, go past all these monthly recurring payments. So there's an upgrade here. So they've joined Easy Clicks for $6.90 and they've upgraded to put 3 offers in there. So that's a $17 upgrade. So there's lots of upgrades built into these systems. Here's one here, double the buyer traffic at $14.90. They joined the Click Engine for $4.90 a month. Great value for what you're getting, for the traffic you're getting. And then they've upgraded to $14.90. So you can earn multiple income streams from promoting these offers. So this is a strategy that I use. If you want to get some free traffic, then go onto my blog post that I'll pin to the top comment here. This is the training. There'll be a link in the description that says free 7-figure earner training. And it'll take you to this page. It's not an opt-in, it's just a free page full of video tutorials. So the first thing to do is join the Click Engine. And then once you join the Click Engine, you follow this system here and put your buyer offer in there, start promoting the Click Engine, get your profit, and then build your portfolio of offers and start to build a buyer's list. So if you've enjoyed today's video, then please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you think of anybody who would get value from this video, please share it as well. If you've enjoyed today's video, you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and click the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions at all about this strategy here, how it works, the offers that I'm using here, what to promote, maybe you're a bit unsure of what to promote, then just send me an email or ask a question in the comments, or just send me an email and I can help you one-to-one. I can mentor you as well if you'd like my help. So Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. All the links will be in the description to get more information um, on the Warrior Plus offers. And if you want to look at any of the other offers, then you just go onto my channel here and watch these videos, and you can see there, get more information on those as well. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.